Prepositions. Prepositions proper. Batak is not well provided with this kind of word because not only do the suffixes e and hon represent various prepositions 50 and 51, but also substantives and verbs 161 function. As such, words that occur only as prepositions are d. It establishes the relationship of the substantive when the thing represented by the substantive can be conceived as a place that can be reached without a movement being implied. The translation provided that there is no verb expressing a movement preceding the D. CF2 is at before place names or at home, in, by, on, with, to, for, e.g. di bana with him, by him, for him. Sada di bana, sada di tulang na RBP 58 115. One for him and one for his uncle. Na mate dibutuhan ni Nana. RBP 75T, the one who dies in his mother's womb. On madihojol makon, diauma belbelmi. RBP 85T, this one my wife is to be yours, and that kajal of yours is to be mine. Namak pahopu di anak, namak pahopu di guru. Who has a grandchild by a son, and who has a grandchild by a daughter, adong ma, adong doi di roham. RBP 72 111. Does it exist in your opinion? Tuhong madiau, by for me di jalahi madiau. RBP 116 12. Find it for me 51 5A. Disijukang at sijukung. Disijukang at sijukang. This D seldom means through the agency of 102 and 121, but often it means because of or on account of. It is selalu halak masih guru diau P12 113. All the people quarreled with each other because of me in order to get me as a wife. CFRB P12 116 FB. D is also used to place the substantive as the direct object or as subject in relation to a word when the letter is separated from the substantive by orders, e.g. na mga polokon hodiyaw, RBP 66 113. You wish to discard me, 126 1. Behama pangaruangi nami ribatuon 121, in which watu is the direct object of pangaruangi. Mangadopi madibay pangului si sang maima dohot datu dalu dijuhuti dohot didahani dabita cities as sang maima and datu dalu facing the meat and the rice, in which example juhud and idahan are the direct objects of mangadopi. CF 74 76 and 81. Only in elevated language is D is used before direct object when no other words separate the letter from the verb, e.g. namangiato di tapiani of our spirit si dictionary under ian. Placed before direct subject, is found in, for example, digo hima aik di pinggan na P2E22. The 7 dishes were filled by him with water, in which example pinggan is the direct subject of the guhi aik de bangin haposo ni gajaima amak di sopo doh di alaman hudulan ni nagoi. The sopo and the alaman were spread with mats on which the rivals would sit by the prince's servants, in which example sopo and alaman are the direct subjects of the hebangi amak. In such a case, where two substantives are in relationship to each other, the D can be omitted, especially if the verb mangalion 51 for ops is used, e.g. the leon hosa ganaganai. Those images were endowed by him with breath. D is less often used to establish the relationship of an indirect subject, e.g. dia ajariau jolo di panogangon, ABP 72 117. If you please, let me be instructed by you in the panogangon sogang. Ajariau jolo di pangapungon, dohot di pamotsato, dohot di pamosahon, dohot di hatan isi palongang. IBP 7318 FB. Instruct me, I beg you, in the art of jumping, in fighting with the sword, and in the formula for causing bewilderment. In such contractions, dohot, which is also used instead of the preposition may also drop out, e.g. di palit pasotingan na dohot habok, hidup his tempers with lime 140. De bangin na poso ni sutima patangani dohot amak dohot lage. The leader servants spread the word soap with mats, large and small, diabiti magana-gana dohot sigudal. He covered those images with all rags. If these examples are compared with those preceding them, it will be seen that the and dohot are used with the indirect subject is given last. It has already been shown in 51.4 that such an indirect subject can be made into an direct subject by the use of the suffix hon. The dropping out of the preposition can be seen in the examples which have already been given: di gohi maaik, di liot hosa, di bangi maamak, and also in di gohi mapigat juhut baby. He filled the dishes with pig's meat, di baini aik. He filled the pot with water. As these examples, how this dropping out of the preposition is particularly common with verbs having the suffix e and with the verb mangaleon, where it means to endow, to bestow. Other examples are goloki sada leonau. Present me with one of those golok leamang asadi leoko napuran. For what reason, my dear fellow, do you give me battle? Who tupahi who dua bitsang? I oblige you with to bitsang. By dropping out of the preposition, the adjective can, without now 126, also function as a substantive, e.g. Ajaria ujolo manai IBP 7313 instruct me in climbing, in which example panehon 127 could also have been used. The adjective of a verb meaning to eat, to partake of, is especially used as the indirect subject with the verb mangaleon, e.g. Leon pagtunggui magna pugan si Jonaha IBP 202b. The creditor gave battle to Jonaha to eat. Di Leon si Jonaha bodari na imasi panganon IBP 211.17 FP. The evening of the day, Jonaha gave them food to eat. Hulian hamuna maxi panganon IBP 212.11. I have given you people food to eat. Di Leon opunai maibana mangan IBP 151.110. He was presented with food by his grandfather. It is also usual to drop the preposition when gok and sub are used, e.g. nunga gok balajai di juhut. The balaja was full of meat. Nunga gok babana aik. His mouth was filled with water. Nunga gok pitu pinggan palaki. Si batu ni tuyung. 7 dishes were filled with coarse grain dust. Nunga sai bohina teni hobo. His face was soiled with buffalo dung. Sop adorana teni hobo. His face was soiled with buffalo dung. D is fused with a few individual substantives. 35a. A variant of D is E, which is probably the original form CF dairy following. As well as being the suffix 50, E also occurs in compound designations, e.g. naidaka, those that are on benches, i.e. climbing animals such as monkeys, squirrels, etc. Nadidakai is also used. Mandarin does not deviate, e.g. di leia mangan rajai 51.4 ops. He gave the prince food. Muda magoban juhut iba padupang dohot anak nina belu nile saotik IBP 163b. If we have meat with us and we come across the child of a widow, then it will be given a little aconi padungan panyogon si anak nina buru IBP 194.15 FP, so that my beloved bridegroom will be presented with Christ. Numagok ihan IBP 514 FP. He saw that the tangle was filled with fish, mandailing, especially Jesus locked up without a preposition before a substantive to which it relates dictionary. Sogang and gyot are used in the same way, e.g. sogang isi roho IBP 5215 in 17 a preposition is. However, use who is your medium. Nada gyot I would say I am not greedy for God. Mandarin uses the instead of dot in order to avoid the repeating of dot, e.g. jadi di pakaruan masih tapi mupang magulang dot bogu ni hapuri di sibaun pejel ABP 12118 FP terapon the Lady MM and the daughter of the Campo were united in the marriage with BP is also used. This also applies in IBP 4219 FP, while on P3911 FP, dot is used for this year 743. In Andong, proper names are ornaments by names. E is often used instead of the, e.g. Sultan Naposoi di Langit IBP 4614, Si Maritei Dolo IBP 66M, and P8B Babiat Adung. Diary uses E, which often drops out diary K1A only before substantives representing a place, e.g. Teruh di Toro 156. Isengkar ale bapa babo buang para di kuampeken ABP 235B. I've placed the chisel farther on the sengkar above the buang para. It is hardly ever found introducing an object that is separated from the verb by other words, e.g. perentatna pesikira ala anakna idi, etc. P193 119. Now her way of caring that which was meant for her young, etc. In diary, there is suppression of the proposition in the same cases as in Toba, e.g. Ngomokono Kubere 51 4 ops Panganan ABP 69B. I've given you wood Merekono Book ABP 134M. Therefore, we've come to provide you with feeders. Itenahi Modalan, he told him about the way. See, I've ordered examples in 113 diary, 113D and 133 2D. When the suffix con have the meaning of for, on behalf of, the indirect subject or the object is used without a preposition, e.g. Nibuatkan panganan mo to hukula-kula, a meal should be taken for the kinsman. CF also 51.5D and 56D. By is also used before a substantive representing a person that is C1, e.g. by the Bataidi, ABP 1812. He gave it to the god Mangkam Mosibururayam, Mongkam Sibururayam by Tesita Gandori, ABP 273T. BX spoke to today, but is used before monosyllabic pronominal suffixes. Before ku and ta, it occurs a nasal, e.g. bangku diau, bana di bana udisya banta dihita, bambu or bandu diho, but by hami, by nami, ABP 274.17, di hami by indene, or the abbreviation by indene 146D. Di hamuna, iji malot nenge megalengi na posongku by indene 133 1D, in which by, just as D, connects the direct object with the active. The meaning of bana is not clear to me. In the alphabet subordinate clause ngomo pedekah bana, where sometime had ellipse, for bana expressing oneself as an object, see 145D. 2 implies a movement and can generally be translated with to towards. Though this is not always the case, e.g. Lau Maibana Songo to Dakkan ni Hariarai, he went and sat on the branch of the fig tree, in which example the translation of to is on. It is used with verbs that represent a motion, or in which motion is implied 107 and is therefore much in use with verbs that have the suffix on, in order to connect the indirect object of the subject with the verb. 51.4. Because of the moment implied by itu, it must often be translated which with to come to go, etc. Maridi maibana tuai. He went to the river to bathe. I literally he bathed to the river. Didokon mangisi hajut to Bagas. He ordered him to go to the house and fill the bag. Arab to son, fetch it here. Dia labi maringit to Bagas. He went to fetch his father's coins from the house. Diburi ma oglo go down salukot hokasi diburi to tapian. There was the cymbals and kettle drums. They went to the bathing place to wash all those musical instruments in Dadong Mangateao to Gijagi IBP 77M. I dare not go above for another simple C36. Jadi dong nga ulo iba na tuguma IBP 86 17 FB, whereupon he wanted to go homewards. 2 is also used e.g. with 9 to emphasize something that is as yet only an idea, e.g. naing au maguru haulubalangon to ho. I want to learn from you the art of being a champion. There are a few cases where to is suppressed by a passive verbal substantive representing a place. 133.3 e.g. di Boroton na poso ni Rajaima Horbo dua sada Borotan, the princess servants bound 2 buffaloes to 1 gathering pole. 2 is interchanged with the or with a verb functioning as a preposition where the thing represented by the substantive is either remote or is defined by e.g. Olodoao tuanaki, Olodoho tuanaki. Do you want to go to my son? Do you want him as a husband? As well as Olodoho dianaki, the dogma to anak nai, he said to Hexon, as well as the dogma madok 161 anak nai. It should be noted that to see 143 is often used to express resignation or indifference, e.g. Boan Matusi IBP 8060. Alright then, take it. Alright, I'll give it up. If you'll give me that in place of it, if the sunbound says that our fields are to be yours, then they're yours. The whole to see. IBP 291 for FB 114 FB. It is also used when a person is nervously told to do something himself, e.g. Arab to see. Go and fetch it yourself. The car between Sang Mai and Datu Dalu. P1116 CF also 14 FB. For 2 in the expressing of the simple passive C101 and CF also 151.3. 2 is also used instead of D when a verb representing movement is preceding CF, for example, IBP 245 1 to FB, where D is used instead of dot, and P246 118, where because of law 2 is used. Mandating does not deviate. E.g. dialap iya siaji orang madopa tutohu, jadi dioban iya matubagas. Jadi dioban iya tubagas IBP 34M. He went to fetch orang madopa from below and took him home. It uses to sia. Tribana 143. The use of to is often the reason for neglecting to use the suffix on, e.g. the sordok ia, etc. 51.4a. The maize brain was laid out by him with a spoon into the dog's throat. There has me a verbal form of e. 61 before a substantive representing a place but uses lakobai or lakoba before a substantive representing a person, e.g. Lord mo dokenenku lakobamu. IBP 230 for 1 2. There is something that I have to say to you. Kade katakanmu lakobangku. IBP 240 110. What have you to say to me? Katana lakobamu. IBP 1518 FB P1611. He's saying to you, malot nangi kepeken penarihin marana dengan si boltok 152 3DD lakobangku. IBP 219 17 FB. He no longer appears to be as well disposed towards me as someone submitted was the son of a full brother. In all other respects, there uses me as to is used in Toba and Mandaling, e.g. along kami misenda come here to get us. Note, Malagasy has ha as a prefix with the prepositional meaning in Malay SK 73. There are still traces of these uses in Batak 35A 69D. The preposition to, which is also used in Favourlang, is just as well. All prepositions originally a demonstrative base sound with which a distant point is indicated. Cf 147 note. The use of to for the expressing of an excessive degree of P154.7 is if this word is interpreted as a demonstrative stem to be compared with that of, and for the expressing of a comparative 134.2e. The accent on both these words can hardly be explained other than by the supposition that formally both define a word in the same way as the demonstrative pronouns do at present. Indeed, and in Denganan can equally will be the homonymous pronoun 141, obviously the speaker of the language in both cases. The possessive and the comparative have tried to express a degree by referring to a distance. Ni connects to substantives and can be translated as a genitive, e.g. isin huta, the contents of the village, i.e. the inhabitants bobat ni habing, the dress God's skin. Ogung ni daupung my father's gongs. The substantives, the substantive, the relationship of which is determined by the preposition, can only represent something from which a thing is derived and the person to whom something belongs, as in the examples just given, but also the objects for an example. CP 179 114 FB. In the later case, the preceding substantive can also be nominal form, which has the meaning of an active verbal substantive, e.g. Garang ni utaku IBP 213 116 FB. Why you have accepted the blopa in payment of my debt to you. Pokpang ni hujung maon titinon. Pokpang ni hujung maon titinon. Pokpang ni piso. Pokpang ni bodil. IBP 226 115. Let this ring be the thing which checks the blends and the knife, and the rifle is the thing that will prevent the weapons being used during these tours. Sai ni utang na IBP 211.11 for the discharge of his debt. Tutup ni utaku IBP 221.11. IBP 221.11 for the settlement of my debt of 100 bitsang tuang ni siraun for the buying of the salt. All pronominal suffixes can also have the meaning of 151, e.g. Ima saya na utopinon, IBP 209.18, that must be for the discharging of it my debt that brought by of mine. It has already been shown in 51.5a that the certain constructions ni can have the meaning of for on behalf of, hence pagadiamatai means not only that which guards my fathers but also the means of protection intended for my father. Ni, just as the pronominal suffixes is also used in such a way that it can be translated with by, of, from, e.g. dipanggil gajaima o gundinai dohot gogdang dohot sagu ni IBP 153 116. The prince asked for his mother the gongs, the Celtic drums, and the sagu ni CF 140 and 133 too. After the third passive, ni must be translated with 2 by 114, but the real meaning is also the substantive that has its relationship determined by ni represents, according to the Batak idea, a thing that as the cause of the motive the motive work is something from which has originated the expressed by the passive. This is in complete agreement with the nature of the passive, which, in order to express it, requires a substantive. The personal pronouns can only have ni before them in a specific circumstance 151, because the exception of Sa 151a, the pronominal suffixes embrace the meaning of ni. The whole phrase can be made dependent upon another word by the use of ni. 162 e.g. tuanigodoho humata koraon. IBP 263b. The luck of your coming as arbiter to discuss this matter. How fortunate. Ni has a variant e, which is particularly common with the proper names, e.g. na ibunga ihu, bunga ihu's mother. Si bunga ihu is the son's name, and his mother is called Naibunga ihu after him. Ni is also abbreviated to end with proper names that are given after children or grandchildren when the name begins with a thriller, a palatal of a dental. The prefix "si" then drops out if the personal appellation or precedes it, and ina and of apa are abbreviated to na and pasiyadagar ni. Pasiyadagar in the appendix to the dictionary, e.g. Jonaha. Jonaha's mother Inanis Jonaha is the proper name. Namgobar 15. Rabar's mother Patsotson. Sotson father Opulobu 15. Lombus grandfather Opu Raja si Omang IBP 78 17 FB CF 157 note. Raja has grandfather, i.e. the right reverend Ha. Amaraja Niatanan IBP 192 110 dan Jombailik IBP P1 IBP 1, but Amani Parubal Opunia Bajonga etc. In proper names, Inani would be expected before vowels and labials and gutturals in agreement with Amani and Opuni, but Nai is used for reverence. It is also used in place of nan. Though this use is strategy, naturan ragu dolok, the lady RD, the ragu dolok is used as well as nai tuan ragu na yangin barita IBP 913 FB. The young lady IB apa is seldom found in place of amani before vowels, e.g. pausa usas father. From some of the examples, e.g. Nanjum Malik, it can be seen that such proper names cannot always be interpreted literally, as if a person bearing such a name always has a child or grandchild after whom he or she is called such names. After often the equivalent of Mr., Miss or Miss, but that uses kinship terms as personal names in the same way as in the Frisian countryside of men who are held in high esteem, addressed by all and sundry as Peter Uncle Peter, Dowe Uncle Dowe, etc. The abbreviation of ni and is also customarily used with Tonga 160, e.g. di Tonga Laut, di Tonga Jalan, di Tonga Tobak, but di Tonga Nialaman, di Tonga Nibagas, etc. and also only occurs with other words in compounds such as Monandaka, Ulundolok, Bungatubu, Bungatsuting, Bungatsabi. It even occurs in Togumbara instead of Togunibara, which one would expect in such compound words, and yet present only to be interpreted as a linking letter, so that the meaning of ni no longer applies. As a consequence, Bonadaka does not mean the thickest and the most part of branch Bonadidaka, but the main branch, the thickest branch of a tree. When a preposition is used before sopo, taru or tarup is often placed after the preposition, e.g. Udurmanasi dari taru sopo. The shutdown in the sopo. This appears to be the reason for the difference between Pak Taru Sopo and Pak Sopo. The first meaning someone who is in a sopo and makes use of it, IBP 133, 115, and 15B. And the second, the honor of the Sopo, Tau and Tarup Sopo appears to be a corruption of Tarut Sopo IBP Torun Sopo because it was associated with Tarup CFM, which uses Tarut Sopo Mandarin D. It appears from the further on that formerly Ni was also prepared before vowels, labels, and dentals. I'll click the original form of a word can be made from a comparison of the dialects is evident from Tongan Yuma T160T1, the abbreviated Tanguma, Mandarin, and Tahuma there instead of Tengah Uma, which later also spelled Tahuma 22-3. Mandailing, also used Pai with proper names Pai Dodong. In male proper names, it abbreviates Raja to Ja, and in agreement with Nai and Pai makes it Jai, e.g. Jai Pais. That in Mandailing, Ni can be seen from Siraja, Ni and Sirajai alongside Jai. E is even used with the third passive instead of Ni, e.g. Naidoloki, Naidokni Halaki IBP 92-121. Not Mandarin always uses E after Ning. See dictionary with the meaning of Ni before a substantive before Halani 157. E.g. Ningi Rajai, Sok Mandaling, Nina Rajai Toba, Ningi Halani, Ning Kalai, Sok Mandaling, Nina Nasida Toba, Ningi Rohania, ABP 33-118 FP. Ningguania, Sok Mandaling, Nina Rohana Toba, Ningi Manuki, ABP 33-14 FB. Ningi Hudingi, ABP 34-16 in Mandarin North. There is therefore an interchange of Ni and Na. See Mandarin F3 Ops 2. Diary has Ma instead of Ama. Ma is close with a T. In those cases with Toba abbreviates in E2 and Ijimat Sediro, ABP 91 and Part 4 notes. Ma Haji's father as a proper name. Similarly, one finds Na dictionary in diary. One finds Taing Guang, i.e. Tai Derisi, and Guang Taing Para Arinonan, lain Atuge from Lai Derisi, Atuge Rakanawa, Benam Penggel, and Benam Paha. Saritua is identical with Sari Matua because Entua Matua dari K3. For Ni, D after C, C149 in diary Ni often drops out. Ijibu Sinai Bisetat ABP 41 1811 kata gila ABP 41 FB. As has been shown, the variant of both D and Ni is E, which is also used as a suffix, and in diary is being used both as a preposition and with the first passive. In addition to what is found in Mandarin, E occurs instead of Ni in IBBR 121.3 note, whereas in diary, Ni springs from E. In some constructions, D is interchangeable with Ni, as for example in the using of the active verbal substantive 121.2 and the indicating of a person, and in the indicating of a person on whose behalf something is done 51.5a. From this, it must be concluded that Ni, D, and E were originally one and that each one was simply the expression of the locative. Of the three forms, E appears to have been the original one. From it, Ni must have arisen by the insertion of an N as in diary, so that the use of Ni after words ending in a consonant must be a usage of a later time, cf. Ningi in Mandaling with Nina in Toba. The origin of D is more difficult to explain unless it is assumed that they has arisen from an earlier R, because in Kawi are inserted Iri Ika DC Iri Ya DC Ya. The E datas of dairy can hardly otherwise be explained than that as a metathesis of the atas 26, just as in Makasares there is irate above from Riate and Irawa below. From Riawa, Buganis Riawa. In Zundadis, a day is inserted e.g. Didinya, Diditu, but here the can be explained as having a relation from arc because in Sundanese Didi is more lingual and dental. At the same time, D and Ni can however just as well be considered as stems of demonstrative pronouns id, deri, idini Malay, and I as a weakened form of both words. Tian or Sian means from, out, to, along, by, at the side of, e.g. Tian Ivana from his side IBP 286 113 FP. This was rarely used instead of asa C62 for before a substantive in comparisons. Tiani thereupon next is much in use as an verb. It is therefore followed by a clause that often begins with asa. The word toding appears to have been taken from Malay, from Mandailing. See below. It is often used with other prepositions. This is especially so when the word debata has a locative meaning, so that at present it is equivalent to Tonga 160, e.g. Tian toding debata di Tonga from the middle word. Manding uses teman, timan, timon, seman. Manding uses teman, timan, timon, seman, not tingon and ngon south. In andung todikon on tadikon is used. This must be a passive imperative of manarikon and really means may be left, i.e. the following. Ulang 154, pado or apodo are used with the comparative. Pado and apodo have been taken from the Mentawai pada. With regard to apodo, it should be noted that in the elevated language used in stories words that have been taken from Mentawai are lengthened by a Greek note consisting of an a and an asa, e.g. panglimo from panglima. It should also be noted that Mentawai pada which daripada Malay is used before the second term of a comparison. In elevated language, storing is also used, e.g. ale bayo ama ni pusta, bayo nadangol ni adong toding siadosanmu na dua tolu, o you ama ni pusta, a man who is poorer than your many brothers. Dari uses nari with the first meaning of tian, but place it after the substantive before which it occurs when the substantive represents a place. If the substantive represents a person by 159 wandi is used i bagas nari tian bagas bangku nari tian nau. With the second meaning, there uses rab, e.g. rab dike, which way rab panganan RBP 221.15 by way of a meal, with a comparative of when a difference between things and is expressed. There uses ripada, which has taken been from the Malay daripada followed by if the substantive following it represents a person while nar is placed at the end of the sentence, e.g. ripada by the beruku tak enanarisi 6240 in expressing a difference. Nari can also drop out IBP 23.121 and dictionary of the cut can be used C2060 Kenchanari since is in use as a conjunction RBP 23.115. Note it is probable that Tian is the riff preposition. CF Sunda T, so is Nari dari, which agrees with the Malay dari. The riff prepositions. The riff prepositions are formed in the following manner. 1. From a denominative adverb or from a denominative adverb of place. 156 by having it followed with either ni another substantive or with a pronominal suffix, e.g. ditogni uru under the rafters, dipuni di bagas behind the house, dipuni after him, her or it, di atas ni papan on the floor, di bayan matu atas ni hortas inon, ABP 267.11, he put it on the paper, etc. Ni can be omitted with verbs that are derived by means of the suffix and 156, which di bagasan hutai in that huta, di bagasan paridahanan in a right spot, etc. The use of tonga after a preposition and before a substantive that represents a space should be noted. When tonga is used, The ni in the case mentioned in 159.3 is abbreviated to N, e.g. di tonga tombak in the forest to tonga tombak na big word IBP 6M. Take me to the dismal forest di tonga laut 15 at sea di tonga dalan on a journey on the road. IBP 233.16. Usually, tonga is used when the extent of the thing is not defined, such as the sea, a forest, a road that is to be taken, etc., or where a place is referred to without its being further defined, e.g. to tonga Niuma, to the field, CF P 303A, but to Haumanai to his field. It is clear that tonga can also have a more literal meaning and may refer to a point in a space that is marked in the middle of it. In the elevated language, one can therefore even say to tonga ni bagas the car between Sang Maimai and Datu Dalu P18114 and P1917 and the tonga ni Jabu IBP 4198. It is for this reason that tonga is often used with a substantive representing a space which it is unnecessary to define further, e.g. di tonga ni halaman IBP 193.117 FP on the halaman IBP 126.110 and 118. Madrid tonga ni halaman they fall on the halaman the car between Sang Maimai and Datu Dalu P26.111. In which example it is used because it is clear which halaman is meant. In the same way, Louis said, I've come here into my house. A substantive that does not require a preposition before it and which can become a preposition simply by having the place after it is ala, e.g. Magbada Manasida ala ni Burburwi, the car on account of or about that woman under the sample is in IBP 288.117 FP. Oops, that ni can be omitted after adverbs with and can be ascribed to the locative meaning of the suffix. From this, it again appears that ni is really e because in the passive an takes the place of e. The suffix an can be similarly explained in to pudianon and to jolowanon, i.e. having the same sense as ini, so that the first example literally means to the end or this period of time, and the second to the beginning of this period of time. That an has the same sense as e can be seen in 58, 57, and 129. Note: in Japanese, the suffix an in words used adverbially can also be explained as preposition, e.g. atusan in hundreds, ewon, ewuan in thousands, rongsasen, rongsasian every 2 months. It is therefore probable that the Sundanese suffix "an" is an obscure representation of an earlier "an". In Sundanese, both the harapan and the harapan are used as prepositions in front of something. The agreement in meaning of the suffix "an" with the Batak ni can be seen from a comparison between, for example, katukangan kami, go behind me, and tupudiku 151. They are made from another word by the suffixing of hon, e.g. donokon beside or near something from donok. This manner of making prepositions is confined to certain words, and such prepositions can only be used when expressing a direction to words and never a direction from which, so that the dahon cannot occur. Other examples are hobarhon, laokon, rapon, rap, dotson, dos, tarehon, toktakon, toktang, suwakon, suwang, as well as balokon and tidohon, missing in the dictionary, placed high up and facing towards something at a lower level, e.g. asadatano matindohon, huta ni wusuta, then let the magical image be set up in the ground on a high place facing the village below of our enemy. To judge from Tarikon Mandeding C 159 4M, Such prepositions should be regarded as imperatives, so that, for example, the dog really means be near it or something like that. It will appear that Sokon, beside which Songon 30:15 occurs, is arisen from Suwakon. Mandeling uses Rakon Mandeling B to ops the Rot 161. There he uses Todesken, Todes to dos, Dotson, e.g. Hakum, aku Todesken kene, sinteram idi ngoakum malak ku betoh gerakam kempungku idi. IBP 213 112 FP. As far as I am concerned, I am just the same as any of you in the crowd. I don't know the name of that grandchild of mine. Gebakon, gebak, rap, rapon, etc. In diary, tengah is used instead of tonga, while ni is not usually used before a substantive 159 TD. E.g. idoken mo ipajaken na posona jagatan I tengah kesean. He commanded his servants to erect a slaughtering pole on the halaman. Darius Babo 159 1D instead of 2 or di gicang ni. Other words functioning as prepositions. There are also other words that function as prepositions, e.g. the 159 1, which as a verb means also to as a verb to go with, to join in, and as conjunction and. Divine C 102, 123, 127, 128 has the meaning of by because of. It is the third person which is the first passive of mabine. Bayan is the nominal form of passive imperative of divine. As a preposition, it means for the purpose of, intended for, used as, e.g. Bayan aham, what's it for? Literally intended for, what is it? Adong mai bayan sinodok muna, then let that one be served as your husband. Or the samples in 121 2 and 126 1. This preposition is often implied in a passive of mabine, e.g. Dibayan masukit suruna, he made a sukit leaf into his vessel. Dibayan jolmani hahanai, IBP 82, he made her the wife of his elder brother. Anggona tabain do iburu digidikot bon nisuan damang tu haumatai. But if sex for my armpits can be used as seeds, then go and plant them in your feet. C 121 1. Umbayan and umabayan the carbon sang may mandatud and datudaru. P 19 113 FP is also used. Too seldom. Bagi is also used, e.g. Yehomai buruki bagi tuan burung. Let my daughter be yours as your wife. Often, the preposition that always used asadong ko hikayu IBP 206 113, so that you may be to it as a side dish. Lilian suhuti ma bulang-bulang sada di datuinon, solota gudang-gudang, dilihat sada piso si tajam. IBP 255 112. The principal gave the datu a hydroclock or a solatan gudang and a knife as si tajam. Sai and tau are especially used before a substantive, e.g. Sai bonini haumaki adequate a seat for my child. Natau paragraph IBP 87 111. That but can be used as a means of protection for Pangulu C 121 3A. Benignly placed made that the mind B can also function as a preposition in accordance with, e.g. haumaki yamang binaini hatata nabudari. IBP 285 M. According to agreement of yesterday evening, that is my field. CF this with Anggos Songon Nahudoki Tutu binaini padatta. IBP 251, IBP 252 116 FB. But if that which has been decided by our agreement is really as I said, labung si dictionary, e.g. dilabung na tinopot nai, whether one she visited dilabuki with me. IBP 32 111 and 113. Go doli dilabung na IBP 116 FB. A youth came to her. Labung is also used with ni, e.g. di labung lubang-lubang, the gargle between sangmay man dadu-dadu. P10 110 FB. By the hole in the floor, tinopan ni is used like songon sidi chanagi is used under ada one. Tinuru ni sidi chanagi under two. A native verb governing a following substantive is often used with a meaning which we would express by a preposition. The choice of such a verb depends on the thing represented by the substantive, which is placed in relationship to another word by the verb functioning as a preposition. For example, to render at the in was astonished at the song of that bird who began to hear must be used IBP 193.14 FB. The express of in he was afraid of that thing, magnida or mida to see must be used, e.g. unang balam miabiya ribana magnida sumuri IBP 71 FB. He became more and more afraid of that well. IBP fled to the forest because he was afraid of his younger brother. Nunga mabiya magnida ng gina hape moluasiro hamidao IBP 118M. But if you have pity on me on P 119.11, D is used instead of mida. Mabiya do ami midahamu IBP 21.118 FB. Mabiya halak midahami IBP 147.18 FB. Against is to fight against, to appear in a lawsuit, etc. is expressed by Mangalo or by Magalohon 53, e.g. Urupiau Gajanami Mangalo Gajata DRB. RBB 160 116 FB. Stand by me Prince against Prince DRB. Save also 158 11. Magmusu anak di siaubing magalon huta tuan do panggabian the maga si hombing konda terowa gesti huta tuan and the panggabian magas. Humaliang is also an affirmative verb 63, e.g. na humaliang huta nai IBB 28.15 FB. Those who encircle his village didama na dibayangan nung humaliang sopo ni rajai IBP 80M. He saw that the people in the stocks were surrounding the Princess Sopo. He saw the prisoners being placed around the Princess Sopo. Mandapoto is used in the same way of a letter addressed to someone. It is also used after Sahat instead of Godi, IBP 71.116. Madok as a preposition can mean to speak to someone as well as to speak of someone. In its first meaning, to is sometimes used after it. IBP RB, e.g. RBP 313.19 FB. Mangihuton si dictionary under youth is used with the meaning of in to bear the name of, to be called after. Marayak 154 is used with the meaning of in the direction of something, e.g. Marayak 17 Hu taharo wanai the car between Sangmay Manda to Dalu P10 115 FB and P24 110 to 120 in the direction of the Huta whence he had come 130. As has already been shown with the Bayan, a prepositional relationship can also be indicated by a passive, e.g. di gonggom bonamana ludoi di city dystopian inon IBP 317.16 FB. These various ingredients were enclosed on the Citopion by Manalu threads. They laid with the thread of Manalu threads and ditolon pagbalian si dictionary under tolon enclosed by the outermost bag of rice in the outermost bag of rice. The substantive is often used that it must be translated with a preposition, e.g. dongan is used in Poda with the meaning of with and in the common language with a pronominal suffix of with me, and a substantive it often means with a person, e.g. ia gabi sogotau o madongatu gabi. Should I obtain blessings? Then shall you obtain blessings with me? Dohot mahamuna tu silongan nami manopot RBP 172 13 accompanied as teacher tongat tu jabu. It was born with me si dictionary. The same thing occurs with the passive of mandongani iji di dongani poso-posi mababi manga di palakai. Dictionary is used under dongan for an example of the passive manga law C 163 for C. For Panading 121 3B and Dopak C Dictionary IBP 313 116 FB. Datang si dictionary esa panjang si dictionary have been taken from Malay, and a sample of the use of the letter is semangat dong sa panjang dalani himbuan throughout the whole journey. Mandarin does not deviate. It used mangaligi magnida IBP 134.12. Mandok Consort Mandok IBP 139.12. E.g. Tuani Halahini 147M. Ningi Halak Sudena Mandok Halani Nadua IBP 290.115. How fortunate they are, said all the people speaking of the two of them in Mandailing. Paninggal CF Panading in Toba can have the meaning of touring someone absence, e.g. panigal na ditako, etc. IBP 128.112 FP. During her absence, MMB secretly took her child away. Sapajang can here also means to be as deep as, e.g. Sapajang eme his word, as the depth of an ear of rice. Jadi bain is also used, e.g. nada rahami bainonmu jadi anakku. We do not wish to be made into your child by you. CF 145 M. Diary has mahan from bahan and therefore native from CF 161 C. Bain 121 2D. Pemahan 121 3D. And bakin or makin 122D. Divine, it used merentati before a substantive, which then represents either a great quantity of plurality, e.g. merentati jukut, carrying much meat, with much meat, IBP 279.112 FB. Berekutken, IBP 118.19 FB. All his slaves were consumed by fire together with the house. Lako is used in combination with another preposition 159 2D. There uses mida 63 instead of magnida, e.g. Enggom waku wakap tedoh mida kene. IBP 107M. I long for your people mekebiaran kene midasa. IBP 137M. In him, you people have some to be afraid of CF. To be afraid of CF IBP 136B, where bana is used instead of midasa. Embangkan is often used instead of mandok, e.g. nina embangkan aku, IBP 210.19 FB. Said she to me, mendokkan bayi, mandok tu above si, gidi mokata ni gaman mendokkan bangku, IBP 211.14 FB. Those were the words of the gaman to me. Dempak dopak IBP 37.12 FB. Desing is used as well as lambung, e.g. Rohmi desingan dene ena IBP 199B. Coming near to you people here, dengan is spawned here too, and instead of mandongan merdengankan is used, e.g. denganku 158 to 23D. Ipe dengan kono medem 158 2D. Asa aku dengan mengekana IBP 15M, so that I may speak with him from Rebaksa C158 CD. Some cases where no preposition is used. A preposition is often dispensed within an adverbial adjunct which is a statement of price, e.g. di 240 Natalui. He bought a person who had been vanquished from 40 Spanish species. Di tuak babi drongan na hutai 2 rial. He bought a pig for 2 reals from for one of his fellow villagers tak tuak hitado nasai. Can we buy it for so much? An adverbial adjunct of intent, in which the intent is expressed by an active verb in Batak 126(2)a. This because a preposition can only govern a substantive or a pronoun functioning as a substantive, e.g. lauma bogu topu sipupugun maridi, the lady to is when with the intention of betting lauma nasida Magdalan, they when going on a journey to Diahutogyon anak kon magmuso IBP 177-115. Where shall I let my son, who is here, so that he can conduct a work? CF also 123. The gain he had made was not sufficient to pay step mangkaka utang na IP 6919. Verbs with the prefix pa, which have horn only in the active 66, usually omit the suffix here, e.g. Papua nama munu nasida, IBP 254-118 FP, in order to declare that they had killed the enemy. CF IBP 184-13 P 225-4, proceeding man in order to avoid him. CF 121-2. A definition of a material or a substance of which a thing is made or of which it consists, e.g. titmus, a ring of gold, CIBP 7, also where the substantive representing the material substance functions as a predicate, e.g. batu is made of stone. An adverbial junk expressing simultaneity, which we can express with a present participle or a preposition with a substantive having the sense of a verbal noun, e.g. Bea maninay natamajalo nahutongosi. How did my mother act upon receipt of the thing I sent her? Literally receiving the thing I sent her. Pitomekalo nasida majalo, she loved upon her receipt of it. Puti manina si Jonaha makuli ABP 325-14, so spoke si Jonaha saying ABP 287-1 word FP Mungatalu Amidi by Komanabung IBP 150-14. We have been beaten by you at cockfighting. Boti manina si Jonaha mangalusia tani pangulinon IBP 231 FP. Thus spoke Jonaha, replying to the words of the arbiter. Na can also be used before the verb, e.g. Boti madidok rajai na martangia. So said the prince entering the gods. This also accounts for Marduk being followed by 161F. Adverbial junks of place, where when these follows each other, the preposition in the following adjunct is often omitted if it is used in the one preceding, e.g. tu tonga topak na biguan tu lapong ni sobaon raja tu merding. ABP 6M towards the enchanted wood, towards the neighborhood of the sombong raja tu merding. Ito ni urung na tu merding di atas ni papan, etc. ABP 3814 under the well range of text and upon the board floor. D is even omitted with na, which must be used to introduce an adverbial junct 149, where there is already a preposition before the substantive that is followed by an adverbial junct, e.g. tian hariarana di juru ni tapianinon ABP 292-1 from the fig tree that appeared at the end of the bathing place, CFRB 292-1 to hariarana di juru ni tapiatainon towards the fig tree that is on the mountain side of our bathing place. The omitting of na is also usual in the vocative, e.g. Pangulo di Huta ABP 38-1 FP is used as well as Pangulo di Huta. For another construction of bata, which in certain cases would correspond to a proportional clause in other languages, see 126-2. Expressions such as talu gogo to yet in power to someone to be no match for R to be regarded as compound words. A preposition can never occur before a subordinate suffix. Now 115, 129 beginning 133, 3 and 153, see also 58, 3. Mandarin, not deviate. It's sometimes used to ni as a preposition when the price of something referred to, e.g. to ni haburi IBP 8111 for this example, the price obtained for it. It uses part of 2 by Junia IBP 3916 FB. Tell our father that Tapi is the SM stay behind to arrange her jacket. Dari taas Davian iji malot terbuat aku ndam riar Tuluria enggut aku menoko. ABB 148. I can't take it for 6 reals, but I buy it for 3. Tumandakan aku rajanggo ABB 48M in order to declare that I have become a prince. Idi asago ena aku meralang konomo ABB 26 116. That is the reason that I have now come to fetch you.